Hello there. I figured I'd do a quick short video. This is has to do with this little child right here. Okay, this is a let me take this part. All right, take off the top here. This is a grommet for going through bulkheads. Now this can be used in both metal, fiberglass, whatever you want. So you can see right here that that this right here unscrews or screws down, so that's where you go between the bulkheads here. And this is predominantly for power cables. You could use it for other materials if you're like in a boat and you want to use it so that you don't cause any damage to cabling. You could go through bulkheads in a boat with this piece. This is actually made by Stinger. The part number I don't remember off the top of my head, but if you go to their website and stuff, you can find it. I will probably put a link to these connectors for you. But basically the way this works is that right in here, let me see if I can put a little light here with us. Right in this area here, that's a rubber grommet. And then you can see the fingers all the way around. And what that does is that when you put the top cap on and you screw it down, this compresses around the cabling, causing you to have a sealed system. So like in this case, this is an aught cable. So if I was running through a bulkhead, through a heavy bulkhead or something, this would allow me to run that cable through there, and I would never have to concern myself about chafing or cutting the cable due to the fact of the steel. Some people like to do silicone, some use, there's another plastic grommet you can use. But this one I find the best ones, mainly due to the fact that you can seal, and you don't have to worry about water infiltration into the cockpit or from underneath. Now in the case of this is the vet. Here this is going to be the power cable for the connection to the power supply. And here you see I have both ground and positive, and this is a 4 gauge. And so here I've got it in reverse, so I'm actually going, sometimes you'll see, you'll put the connector this way maybe because it's a little easier to do, but it was easier for me to tighten down from the other side. So, power and ground right here, and then you can see how that it attaches. Even though this is fiberglass, I still wanted to use this type of thing, and predominantly because this is the very tail end of the car, water infiltration. Even though that we're here in the Southern California area and we never see that stuff called precipitation, it's it's something you want. So, but anyway, so you can see here clearly, how that the cable fits in there. It's nice and loose on this side of the cable, so that you don't have to worry about any, like I said, chafing or the cabling getting cut going through the bulkhead itself. But anyway, those are these. Like I said, this is a wonderful grommet. This is, in my viewpoint, a must in almost all installs, especially when you're going through firewalls. So you maximize safety is basically what these are really for. So. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you a quick video of some power connections and different ways to do it and stuff. But here, I think that this is these two type materials. I mean, this type of product is an absolute must for installing correctly. So, I'll talk to you later. All right, bye.